a legend reborn with luxury in its veins. The 2025 Lincoln Continental Mark V reimagines classic American opulence for a modern era. This latest iteration of the iconic Mark series pays tribute to its rich legacy while integrating cutting-edge automotive innovation, capturing the attention of luxury sedan enthusiasts and automotive historians alike. Designed with unmistakable grandeur and futuristic elegance, the 2025 Mark V doesn't just revive a name, it redefines it for a generation. Seeking prestige with performance, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, the Mark V offers seamless acceleration and remarkable traction, blending muscle and poise in perfect harmony. While traditionalists may lament the absence of a V8, this modern engine offers superior fuel efficiency and reduced emissions without compromising on thrill. Dimensionally, the 2025 Mark V stretches over 210 inches, with a long wheelbase and broad stance that elevate its road presence. The exterior features a contemporary twist on the classic Continental silhouette, with a bold grille, flowing lines, and intricately designed LED lighting. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, boasting diamond-stitched leather seats, polished walnut trim, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof. Lincoln's latest Sync 5 infotainment system, a 19-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system, and advanced driver assistance features create an environment where technology and craftsmanship merge seamlessly. When compared to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series, the Mark V positions itself as a more soulful, heritage-rich alternative. While the German giants emphasize performance and tech, the Lincoln emphasizes serenity, exclusivity, and a uniquely American expression of luxury. Its comfort-focused suspension and quiet glide chassis distinguish it from rivals, making long journeys feel effortless and refined. The Mark V might not outcorner a BMW or outcode a Mercedes, but it delivers a distinctly nostalgic, luxury experience that appeals to those craving something timeless. Historically, the original Lincoln Mark V from the late 1970s was a symbol of success. Known for its immense size, powerful V8 South, and distinctive styling, it was a car that epitomized personal luxury at a time when bigger truly meant better. Reviving the nameplate in 2025 signals a renewed confidence in Lincoln's design philosophy and a desire to reconnect with its heritage. As sedans face extinction amid the SUV boom, the Mark V's return could spark a renaissance, offering a compelling case for large luxury cars as statement pieces. Its future role may not lie in mass appeal, but in anchoring Lincoln's identity as a flagship that blends legacy with innovation. Join the movement, reshaping luxury. Be part of a community that honors the past while embracing the future. The 2025 Lincoln Continental Mark V is more than a car.